I'm so happy to see you again.
I'm
Okay.
happy to see you too.
Yes, I'm happy to see you. And I hope that this is not the last time that we see each other, Yen, because that is your last lesson with me. That is what I know. The last lesson with me. Hold on. So we are in the kids box. We are only in the kids box 3. I know, no kids box. Oh, we are in the kids box flyers number 3. We are only number 3, so our kids box flyers is until 80. So, okay, so you have only 3 lessons with the kids box flyers. Okay, if you ended up. Okay, ask your mother if she wants to continue your lesson, right? Because you have only 3 in the kids box. And also, this is a good book. Okay, how are you? Okay, have you done doing your homework?
I don't know because I don't see this Kissbox flyer.
Oh, right? Again, it's okay. That is
Yeah,
our lesson. The last time. This is our lesson. We are in the kids box 3. The last time, right? Our lesson is kids box
exactly.
flyers. Now, lesson number 3, right? The last time we are in kids box number 2. You forget it? Last Monday? Last Monday, right? Monday or Tuesday? Okay. Anyway, Yen. So we are in the kids box flyers. Unit 1, welcome to our ESN lesson 3, reading. Okay, review. So look and drag. Okay. So you're going to drag the words, the food that is good, thumbs up, or the things that you are going to do and you don't want. The last time is you encircle the things that you can see in the classroom, right? Yen, do you remember that? You encircle
Yes.
all the pencil, ruler. Okay. I'll say, okay, answer now. Like, love, plus verb, plus noun. Oh, you don't like science? Why? Okay. I
Because
like
it's dangerous.
science. What? It's
Because it's
hard?
dangerous.
Hmm. It's hard. Okay. Okay, say it. I love or I like. Oh, what do you want? I love or
I
I like?
like I like playing I like play badminton. I love travel. I like watch cartoons. I like history.
Okay. What about you don't like?
I don't like science and eat fast food.
Okay, very good. You know what? I hope that you will like science. Okay, that's a good subject. Okay, so for our lesson objectives is review vocabulary about school, read about daily habits and hobbies, and read about Favorite subject. Okay, introduction, reading, and summary. So in our introduction, look at the picture and answer the question. Okay, question number one.
Do you think they are friends?
Okay, do you think they are friends?
Yes, I think they are friends.
Okay, next.
What are they talking about?
Talking about. What are they talking about?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, they are talking about, what is it? They're talking about sports, right? About football. Okay, what about this one?
They are talking computer
Okay, this one.
studies.
Okay, they talk about.
City school.
Okay, so Dan, Shari, and Albin. Okay, Dan, Shari, and Albin. This is Shari. This is Dan, and this is
Um,
Albin. I don't know who is Albin here. If I'm mistaken. So they are the character here in the Kids Box Flyers. Okay, so in Kids Box Movers, the character is
Lock and
mm,
key.
yeah, Lock and Key. This one is okay, Alvin, Shari, and Dan, and Diggory Bones. Okay, they have here the video Diggory Bones. Okay, now for our reading is read and say. Okay, hold on. Okay, oh, I'm right. This is Alvin and this is Dan. Okay, so can you please read it?
Irving, I'm 11 years old. I always ride my bike to school. I sometimes have breakfast in the school breakfast club before my classes. I love playing football and basketball. I'd like to write about sports and computers in the evening.
Izin. Okay, next.
Easy. I'm 10. I live in a village outside the town, so I catch a bus to school every morning. I like singing and music. I love playing the guitar and the piano. I'd like to write about music clothes in the evening. I'm 10. I live near the school, so I walk every day. I have lunch at school with my friends. I love drawing and taking photos, so I want to put my photos in the easing and write about the
Natural word.
word,
Okay.
natural word.
Okay, so remember Alvin is 11 years old, Dan is 10, and Shari is 10. So Alvin is the older. Okay, so these
Abby,
two. Okay, Alvin is older 1 year old. Okay, so reading activity. For example, okay, what is Alvin's age?
it's 11.
Okay, what is his hobbies?
Abby love playing football and basketball,
Okay, transport to school.
bike,
Okay, ideas for Izin.
sports and computers,
Others.
have breakfast at school.
Okay, what about Dan? How old is Dan?
Is 10.
Okay, hobbies.
Sing, playing guitar and piano, music,
Okay, transport to school.
bus,
Ideas for Izin.
music and clothes,
Others.
live outside the town.
Okay, what about Shari? How old is Shari?
Is 10.
Hobbies.
Draw and take photos.
Transport to school.
On foot.
Okay, on foot, walk. Ideas for Izin.
On foot walk. The natural world.
Others.
Live near the school.
Okay, so you know now who is Alvin, Dan, and Shari and what they are hobbies, transfers to school, ideas for Izin, and others. Okay, very good, Yen. Okay, now, true or false? Okay, number one is false, number two is true, false, true, number five. They write about different topics. Okay, very good, Yen. Good job. Okay, next is choose the correct answer. Number one, read and circle the correct subject.
We study
We
the
study the past.
past in
Is it science, geography, or history? Hmm, is it geography? Geography is study the country, right?
when we don't understand a word, we can use a we study plants and human body in science. We learn about people and countries in
So your answer in number one is not correct. It's not geography. Because the answer in number five is what? Okay, learn about people and countries, not computer, not music. Of course, geography. So your answer in number one is not correct. Okay, teachers sometimes find out what we know by giving us an exam. Teachers sometimes find out what we know by giving us exam. And number one, we study the past is history, not geography. Geography is learn about people and countries. Okay, very good, Ian. Okay, do you understand this, Yan? Do you have a questions about this? It's okay? Okay. Now, true or false? Okay, so we're going to read and then check or cross.
older students have to study more school subjects and take important exams. Um,
Okay, read this first. Read first all.
In our geography lessons, we learn about different people and their countries. The best subject is history. We love learning about the past.
Okay, in history, we learn about the past, right? Yes, you're right. That's true. Remember, you answer in number one, study the past. Okay, next.
We study a second language. We can choose French, German, or Spanish. We use the
Dictionaries.
dictionary in the school library to help us to understand new words. Science is an important subject, so we do it every day. This year we are learning about plants and the human body.
Okay, human body.
They can choose the sex. There are dictionaries in the classroom. They study.
Okay, we use dictionary in the school library. Yan, school library, not in the classroom. Okay, very good, Yan. Good job. Okay, so talk about favorite subject. Okay, what is your favorite subject, Yan? And why? My favorite subject is math. You like math?
The only subject is IT and maths.
Oh, math. Okay. My favorite subject is, say it, math.
Math.
Okay. I love learning about,
I love learning about
what did you learn
shape,
about?
shape, shape,
What is it?
shape.
Oh, shapes. Okay. This subject is about
This subject is about easy.
num, num, math is numbers, right?
Math is about
Okay. More,
numbers.
okay. Mathematics is all about numbers. Okay. Next. This subject helps me.
This subject helped me calculator,
Okay. Help you? Say it again.
calculator,
Okay. Help. This subject helps me.
calculate, calculate.
Okay.
Help
Calculate.
me calculate,
Calculate. Okay.
calculate,
Calculating
calculate.
or adding, addition, subtraction, right? Division, fraction. Okay. Helps you also counting numbers, right? When you are in the kindergarten, you are counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so this is the sample. Very good, Yen. Okay, sample. For example, my favorite subject at school is history. I love learning about the past. Okay, history is learning about the past. Or if geography, okay, I love learning about people and country. Okay, story. Okay, the Diggory Bones. Okay, not lock and key. Diggory Bones in Cage Box Flyers.
Rocks and stones, studying the past, archaeology, to understand our history. Dig,
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 diggery
Diggory
bones.
Bones.
See what's under rocks and stones.
Sauropodus, the biggest dinosaur. This is the last neck bone. Whoa.
Wow! It's almost 30 meters long.
Okay, 30 meters long.
How are
Remember
your
that.
classes going in the School of Archaeology, Diggory?
Fine, thanks, Dad.
Okay, this is Diggory. This is Diggory. He
I'm
is
teaching the
professor.
history of language. My students are learning about the Rosetta Stone.
Ah, the Rosetta Stone. It helped us to understand ancient languages.
I'm also working on the Bologna Stone. It's an important new computer program.
Hello! Hello! Can you hear me?
It's okay, Dad. It's my phone.
Oh. Hello, Emily.
Dad, come quickly. Somebody went into your classroom last night and took your computer.
No! The Bologna Stone program was on it.
Okay, question. True or false? Check if it is true or false.
The dog is holding the neck bone.
Okay, is it Cerdo holding the neck bone?
Yes. The model dinosaur is 13 meters long. No.
Okay, because that is
Dog
13, not 30, right?
30. Diggory students are learning about Rosetta Stone.
Rosetta Stone.
Rosetta Stone. Ros- Rosetta Stone helps us to understand
The
ancient
ancient language.
language. Emily took Diggory's computer out of home last night. Diggory's computer had
A Bologna
Bologna
Stone
Stone
program.
program.
Okay, the answer in number 4 is okay. To study the ancient language. Okay, very good. Oh, that's it for our lessons today. Okay, what have you learned in our Kids Box Flyers lesson number 3? Yen.
I learned about reading birds, and I read, learn history, read history.
Yes, okay. About the different subject also. Okay, so let's do the recap. And who is the 3 students? Okay, in our Kids Box Flyers.
Arvin, Dan, and Shari.
Okay, how old is Alvin?
Arvin is 11 years
Okay,
old.
Dan is,
Dan is 10,
and Shari
and Shari
is,
is 10.
okay. Yes. Okay, so for our reading, okay, always remember, okay, these are the character in Kids Box Flyers. Okay, reading activity and read and circle. Choose the correct answer, true or false. And talk about favorite subject and the stone. Okay, the story. And you write you circle, you write true or false. Okay, you check it, not to write. Okay, so for our summary, read the summary number 1, 2, 3, and 4.
1. Review vocabulary about TV programs. 2. Read about TV programs. 3. Read about cartoon production.
Production. Cartoon production.
Production. Cartoon production. 4. Homework check on my system.
Okay, do you understand the Kids Box Flyers lesson 3?
Yes.
Okay.
And
So that's it for our lessons today, Yen. And I hope that this is not your last lesson. Because Kids Box Flyers lesson 4 is also good. Okay, a good lesson. So do you understand it? Do you have a question, Yen?
yes.
Okay, yes. A little bit, what do you call this? A little bit hard, but also suitable for you. Okay, you can learn a lot of things in Kids Box Flyers. Okay. Oh, I saw your brother. Brother. Okay, we have 1 minute left. So I have here grammar.
Welcome to English Master Quiz. 50 plus English Grammar Quiz. Let's get started.
Okay, she was born at, on, in, or off. What number? You're muted. Number? You're muted, Yen. I can't hear you.
Number C. C in
In.
1948.
In 19. Very good, Yen. Good job. My eyes is itchy.
Looking forward to seeing you at the party tomorrow.
Very good.
They will buy a new car next month. B. John always does his homework on time.
Very good, Yin. Perfect. Perfect. Oh, we have no time now. Okay, so we're going to continue this, Yen, and I hope to see you again. I hope not. This is not the last time, Yen. Okay, so thank you so much, Yen, and see you again. Have a good night. Bye.